Okay, so I have this recliner chair cover, and I think the company is called Taococo. This is from Amazon. I have been looking for an extra large seat cover. I could not find one, and this was like $42. After taxes, like 44. I didn't really want to pay that amount because the smaller ones are a lot cheaper, but my aunt gave me this really nice recliner. It is so comfortable, but it's brown. There's nothing wrong with brown, but I wanted it to be black. So I ordered black. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This chair is like really wide. It's like 40 inches wide. Most recliners are just this area, but because this one has these extra pieces on the side, it's like really big. You started? Oh, okay. So I'm opening it up. It's like a jacquard material. It says 4-piece. Oh, okay. I was wondering. Okay, so these might be for the arms. And then this might be for the top. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, and it has these straps on it too. So I just got to kind of figure out what piece goes where. But it tells you center, back, cover. Oh, it's all labeled. So it oh, I'm going to have to flip the chair forward. Oh, I see what they did. Okay. And then I have the link, but I can't wait to see how this turns out. So I think the first piece I should probably do is the arms. Oh, good. So it says left arm. So let's see. This is left. Okay. So I'm just going to put this. Oh, okay. I think that's right. I'm going to straighten it up some. Is that how? Because this is supposed to be like a pocket or something, I think. Or maybe not. I think this is how it goes. If it's not how it goes, we're going to fix it. Let me see. Oh, it goes down that way. Okay. Glad they had a picture on here. So, but it's still not a pocket. Oh, it is a pocket. Okay. All right. So we're going to turn this around. And we're going to go like this. Okay. I think that's how we're going to do it. We're going to go like that. Oh, I get it. Okay. I still got it upside down, so I'm going to turn it again. Like this. Okay, I think I got the hang up. Okay, cool. Now, it's looking good already. Oh. Oh, I like this. And it's nice and thick, too. Okay, so we got that first piece on. This pocket, you could put a remote control in there or something like that. That's probably basically what that's for. Okay, so we're going to do the other side. It's on there nice and snug, too. All right. Okay, so now we're working on the right side. Make sure I got the pocket turned the right way. Make sure it's lined up good. And then you just kind of pull it so it's nice and smooth. Oh, this fits perfect. Oh, that look good. Oh, it's a pocket on both sides. I didn't even realize it was a pocket. This is nice. Okay. Now let's figure out what they did theirs in a different order. Okay, so I'm going to do this top part, back of center. Back. Where did it go? Okay. Back, center, back of cover. So this goes on this part. Then it's these straps. So, I'm trying to think. Okay. Do we go like this? Oh, we're going to find out. Uh-oh. I need to look at the picture again, too. because how does... Because where these straps go? Hold on. Alright, so... I'm going to get this on here like this. Okay, there we go. Make sure that part is matching up. There we go. And just figure out where these go. It goes somewhere here. I'm gonna just tuck it for now. Figure that out. Well, what, you gotta flip it over? I guess so, huh? Let's flip it over. Okay, so we flipped it over. We got these metal pieces right here. So I'm just gonna pull this to cover everything up. And I'm gonna put the straps.
Probably the front ones.
The front ones? Okay. Let's see. We're gonna put this all the way. Oh, I don't want to rip it. Oh, man. So I had ripped it, pulling it too far, so I just kind of rigged it up. I tied it on there. Now I'm going to just tie this on here like that. Or I could have sewed it on. And I'm just going to tie this a couple times to make sure that stay on there good. Sometimes you got to rig stuff up and make it work. And I think this will be just fine. Then we're going to flip it back up and we're going to finish the front part. Okay. Oh, that's not, is this plugging in? Oh, no, it's not plugging in. Okay, so you got to open up the bottom for this part. I was just going to fit that on real good. I'm just not sure where to put this at. These chairs can come apart, so maybe if you have to take your chair apart and do it for this, I think what I'm going to do is just kind of tuck it for now. All the way up in there. Okay, now that's looking really good. Also, there's a slit in here. Also, this is not only a pocket, but look, they got a cute little slit there so you could reach the piece to open up the recliner. So that was perfect. It's over here somewhere, but it's there. And this just looks so good. This is perfect. This is exactly what I needed, because if not, I was going to probably just kind of make one and staple it on. But I like this because you can remove it. It's washable, and it's very soft and comfortable. And then I'll have a link where you can purchase this if you are interested. Okay, so I reached through and I found the middle piece. So now, hopefully it doesn't pop. I could put that here, like that, to make it nice and extra snug. I redid it so I could be under, of course. So that's much better. Don't worry about that, because should nobody be able to see that part. And then I found this piece. Extra security. There we go. And then we just gonna cover that up like that. All set. We're gonna flip this bad boy back over. And there you go. This looks so good. It's so comfortable. And that was pretty simple. So I will have a link where you can purchase this if you have a big, huge, extra large recliner that you were having a hard time trying to find a cover for. This is the one for you. The big, wide, extra big.